how to trim story on Instagram, or how to trim a video before uploading to story on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pimbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trim your story on Instagram. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. If you open up Instagram and if you try to upload a video to story, then unfortunately it'll directly upload the first 1 minute to your story. It won't give you an option to crop or trim. Now, in order to do so, what you can do is you can simply tap on plus icon at the bottom of your screen and then head into post and then tap on next. Make sure to choose the video that you wish to upload onto your story and then tap on edit video option at the bottom left corner, and now you can trim it from here. Once you trim the part that you wish to upload to story, what you can do is now save it. Tap on download icon at the top right corner and save it to your device. Once you have done so, you can simply go ahead and head into story upload option and then upload that particular video that you just streamed on post. So this way you can trim story on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.